Come on. You gotta come up now. Keep stopping. Give it some juice. Give it some juice.
What's that hit?
Nothing. Come on up.
What do you mean?
You gotta give it some juice.
No, it's...
Go on, give it some more. Oh. Hold still. Hold still.
Oh my God.
Oh, we shot the wood out.
All right.
I wouldn't put your foot there.
Go ahead. Come on down. Come on down. Back off.
You need the wider wood.
No, you're doing good. You just gotta come up it.
Go on. Go on the other.
Come on. Come on. Straight on. Now go. There you go.
Don't stop.
Go. Go. Back off.
Gotta keep the. Can't use.
Go. Won't tell you to go.
Can't use the profanity.
Oh, sorry. You had it. Now go up it. Go on, go. Oh, no.
You were there.
It's not gonna work now.
No, you had it. Go on.
You can't stop now. You gotta go back.
Oh, you're done.
Oh my gosh. The low car is now high.
Well, turn it off. You don't know.
Wait, wait. We gotta get this. We gotta get this. We gotta get this. Wait, wait. Where you going? I was wrong. It could never happen. You tried everything. I was wrong, right?
Didn't try it.
We're not gonna get that on film.
Well, actually, as a dad, I didn't want him to try anything because it's cheaper to take it to Walmart.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not. I don't trust those fools at Walmart with my car.